Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel and to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you a deluxe science kit. So I'm gonna name everything chance by chance. So let's go, guys. And just don't remember to see my one more deluxe science kit video, which contains of a good experiment I'm gonna give. So I'm gonna just tell a little detail about it. So let's go, guys. So we have got one cylinder. So this is called a conical glass cylinder, and this is a glass straw. This is a glass rod, so we can just use it to mix things. So mostly when I had ordered this, it came as it was, but there were two bad things. We got a broken candle, and we had to get two of these things, but we got only one, but that's okay because the candle can be used all now. Now let's go to this final thing, which is a evaporating dish, which is mostly used, when we use this stand rod with this. So let's see, this is a small stove we have got, and which can be opened, and you have to put some oil over there and then it will get lit. So this is a very superb thing. Then we have got this rod in which we have to keep this. Then we have got one. Then we have just got one very good. We see this wire stand, which is mostly used for heating. So we suppose we can put this glass beaker on it. So come on, let's go next to the test tubes. So the test tube is basically a very good thing I've got in this. So we have got one test tube like this, and this test tube, and this is one wonderful test tube which we can use. And also we have got this to keep test tubes, and this was so this is a test tube, and this is a test tube holder which is joined to these two rods, which can be fixed to keep the test tube. So you can see here the holes of the test tube, which is actually these holes which make the test tubes stand in them. This is actually to keep test tubes on it. So let's go next to our next thing, which is a glass beaker over here. So we have got one glass beaker. So here we have got our glass beaker and two plastic beakers which has measurements written on it. And even this one has written. Then these are our two pipettes. And we have got one earbud with it too. Then we have got one candle, and we have got, there will actually written that there will not going to be any chemicals in this, but we have got one citric acid packet which has experiments in it. Then we have got one filter paper which is absolutely very brilliant quality, but we have got it in dry color. Then we have got a chromate paper and litmus paper. So this is a chromate paper, which is a chromate paper, and this is a litmus paper. It is absolutely very good. So this litmus paper is mostly changes its color when we dip it into the acid, which so it changes the purple in green. This is the chromate paper, which is very important for most experiments. Okay, so let's go. After this, we have this with Then we have got this, which is a plastic bottle, and this has this area so we can just store many things in it. Okay, then let's go to the next, which is this. It is actually made to store citric acid. This is actually there for storing our citric acid when we open it. Then this is actually looking like a paint bottle or something, but this is a wonderful box like this, which is very wonderful. Then we have got some content. Then we have this can be also fit in one of this thing. this is a test tube holder, which is actually used like this. This is a test tube holder which can be just closed by pulling this, opened, closed. So we have this funnel, which is the best part of it. So now let's just try to pick one of this, and also the box which we got, there are mini holes or big holes, so we can fit these things in it. So come on, we can pick up one test tube with it actually. And these are very delicate, so you have to be very careful while picking them.
And me too. Wow.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, but we have one more video which has a very important experiment.
Science says.
And one more thing, guys, let me show you how can we drip water into the beaker. So let's take an example.
Yep.
Wow, we got some water in this test tube. So as I was saying, we can keep it over here.
And it might fall too.
So it can fall, but we have to be very careful. We should not move this. So I'm gonna take one test tube. Oops. I'm gonna just take our pipette and gotta put the water inside it. So this is very handful. So we have got this it looks so creative. So if you have a shock of being a science person, so you can almost use it. Yeah. Then you can use it. So we have got plastic beakers. We have got such interesting things. If you're very interested in being a scientist or something, you can actually use this. And now I'm gonna give you some warnings which you have to handle when you get the set, if you really get the set. So we are gonna just transfer the water into our glass beaker, and some few things which I just. So now we have got actually everything. Now there are some things which you have to be cautious and helpful, and some things I have just shown. So whenever we pour the water into the beaker, then we have to keep this for drying. So these stands are mostly for drying, and mostly we have to keep